Kajogombulu Mombasa, riwruog mine midendo ni Mama Kenya Movement koni giwuok oko mar jiwo rowere mapok ondikore mondo otim kamano. Kane giloso Mombasa, riwruogno motelone kata motelne kod Mikai Amina Ridhwani koni en midhiero ni jotelo mag siasa pok owuok oko mar jiwo oganda mondo mi gidhi gindikre kaka jogombulu kata obedo ni gidwa laro kombe e yiero mabiro. Minego ne komachielo koni dwaro nitiere mar nywando mine duond buche kendo kwayo josiasa mondo mi owek puso weche makide kelo sigu e kind oganda kata obedo ni moko kuomgi nitie duond buche mopogore mag siasa.
Lakini sijaona hata kama kuna grupu nyingine kina mama wengine ambao wahamasisha watu kwenda kuchukua kura. Ukiangalia registration iko very low Mombasa kwetu, as if we don't have leaders, and we are having leaders whom we elected with our hands, with our card, but we don't see them coming up with the voice kutulekeza where to go.
So sisi kama Mama Kenya Movement tuna advocate ya watu waweze kupiga kura. Tunazunguka kaunti zote, tuko na viongozi wetu, na mbali na hiyo maswala na changamoto ambazo zinakumba jamii, tunapata kwamba watu wengi viongozi wengi wanachaguliwa, lakini mambo ya jamii haiwahusishi. Kweli ama uongo? Sasa ndio tunasema we are advocates kuhakikisha kwamba kuna amani na maendeleo endelevu.
This movement emphasizes that women must not be sidelined, particularly those at the grassroots, who are key drivers of community development and social cohesion.